Hello creative people and welcome to a new video. In today's video, we will be redesigning a famous brand's logo. So this challenge was raised by one of my good friends, Hamza Waziz. He is a motion graphics designer. He's one of the best, if not the best. He suggested that we should be redesigning a famous brand's logo, and that's what we did. So our victim for this episode is Caribou Coffee. Caribou Coffee is a well-known brand, and let's see what is the problem with their logo. So first of all, what is a good logo? A good logo should be simple, memorable, timeless, versatile, and appropriate. So when we look at their logo, we can see that is a composition of few elements that we have to look deeper to understand it. For example, it's a caribou animal, which is a cross between a deer and a moose, I guess. And you can see that the body, they used portafilters as the body parts and the head and the horns separately. So what I did here in my solution is I tried to recreate the body as a normal body of caribou animal, and then use the portafilters as the head and the steam coming out of it as the horns. And to make it versatile, I created a secondary version, which is just the extraction from the main logo, the head and the horns. And as you can see in the process of sketching, I tried to use references of the animal, and at the end of the day I went on my own body interpretation of the caribou animal and created the body and then the head and the horns. And after finishing with the sketches, I exported the design to Adobe Illustrator. I started vectorizing it, and I will leave you with a quick time lapse of the process. And so, as you can see, this is the final result, and here are some presentation of the logo. Let me know guys what you think. Like this video if you like the content, and subscribe for future creative content, and see you in the next video. Peace.